Mariam, for inviting me over. In fact, I have a problem with the title when we say that CPEC is a lifeline for Pakistan. I'll give you a different perspective.
Sure.
It's not that CPEC is a lifeline for Pakistan. Basically, it is Pakistan that is lifeline for CPEC.
Of course, because of our strategic
Yes,
location, we are the bridge.
Absolutely. And I think you would recall, and perhaps Dr. Hasnan would recall, I had given the idea of MISACA, that is Middle East, South Asia and Central Asia. Because through Middle East we could connect to North Africa, and through South Asia we could connect to Southeast Asia via Bangladesh and Myanmar. And through Central Asia we were connecting ourselves with Russia and China and all. So Pakistan's strategic relevance was such that China perhaps thought it appropriate that it is better to go by road from the Chinese border all the way through Pakistan up to Gwadar and then connect it with the rest of the world.